Hi, everyone. Are you looking for an easy way to store groups of objects in SmartSimple Cloud? The SmartCard feature is an easy to build and easy to access place to store commonly used object data. SmartCards can be shared with other users, either individually or based on system roles. Adding an object to a SmartCard is as simple as pressing the Add to SmartCard button in the upper right-hand corner of any record. You can then either create a new SmartCard, sharing it with individual users or users of certain roles, or add the object to an existing SmartCard with the click of a button. After adding objects to a SmartCard, you can then easily access them from anywhere in the system by navigating to your SmartCards. These are located in the user menu. You can view your own SmartCards as well as those shared with you. So now that we've seen what SmartCards are capable of, let's look at how to set them up in your system. First, we will need to enable SmartCard access to particular roles. To do this, we will first navigate to our Global Settings menu. In the Security tab, select System Feature Permissions. In the Feature Permission tab, scroll down to enable SmartCards. Roles you add here will be able to create and access the SmartCards feature. Press Save to save your changes. Now that we have enabled SmartCard access, let's determine the fields that will display on our SmartCards. To do this, first navigate to our Global Settings menu. Under the System Configuration header, select SmartCard. You can then select the object type that we'd like to create SmartCards for. Drag and drop fields into the object type in the order in which you'd like the fields to appear. Press Save when you are satisfied with the fields you will list. And there you have it. Using and configuring SmartCards is simple and easy. SmartCards enable you to navigate your SmartSimple Cloud system with ease, accessing all objects in the system in just a few clicks. Thanks, everyone.